An unusual one today. I just finished redecorating my bedroom and I've done it in a few hours after spending hours and hours researching, and I wanted to do it in the style of a hotel. So as you can see, I've got an IKEA mound dresser and I've put some gold front on it, which I'm going to do for the other two drawers I just ran out, and a gold bin. But here's the main room, and I'm really quite pleased with the result. Let me run through it all with you. So for years behind here, I've had this wallpaper, which is a weird colour and it's not really very conducive to a cosy room. But I finally had this idea of putting up some velvet curtains, which not only do I think it looks amazing, but it also really makes the room cosy and deadens the sound. And I put this gold border around the edges just because the curtains obviously won't come all the way, and that hides the wallpaper. So this is very hotel inspired. I have got an LED strip behind the bed, as you can see here. I might move it up a little bit, but I think it's fine. I kind of like the look that it's giving. And then at the bedside, we've got our lamps, which are touch controlled like so. And then we have USB charging. And then here we have mains and USB charging as well. A little decoration, and then, just a couple of drawers. Nice and easy. This bed is brand new, and I wanted these wings, so it's got more of a hotel vibe, and it's velvet and plush. And then the Egyptian cotton bedding. And then over on this side of the room, we just have the same in reverse. And then there's a little switch. I discovered you can buy inline USB switches, and that just turns the lights on and off behind the headboard. These sort of gold brown curtains as an accent piece, and then this is an ottoman, just a nice cream velvet, very plush, and then this rug just to pull it all together. It's not the nicest carpet in the world, but I find that the rug just ties things up nicely. And the wardrobe is, as you can see, it's translucent. I have LED strips all the way around. And then for lighting, I have this smart lighting. So these are smart bulbs, so I can change the colour and the brightness of them individually. So as you can see, I've got the purple set for a little bit of mood lighting. And then the final piece is this full-length mirror, which I just have propped up against the wall, and I think that's a really nice look. So this was today's project, and it took me about 2 hours to build the bed, which I did the other day, and then probably about 4 hours to put everything else up, getting all the measurements right and putting these cabinets together. Really, really happy with the result. And the entire remake of this room, so bed, mattress, it's a really nice mattress, and all these fixtures and fittings, was in dollar terms probably just around $2,000, which I think for a entire room makeover is very reasonable. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you, my new hotel inspired bedroom. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.
Rusty on travel.